Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. You know I work in an office and I found that the hardest part of working with spreadsheets is staying awake. The second hardest part is figuring out what formulas to use in Excel. So today, we'll dive into the incredible AI-driven digital assistant ChatGPT, which we'll use to analyze the data on your screen. Here, we have a table with a list of employees and all the health insurance plans they are enrolled in. Now, let's explain to ChatGPT what we'll be analyzing. ChatGPT is like that coworker who listens and understands what you're mumbling after a few drinks at the office Christmas party. ChatGPT can easily understand everyday language, so it'll be able to make sense of what we're saying. This means we can explain things in a simple way, and ChatGPT will still be able to help us out. Now, let's begin our analysis by finding the average plan cost. ChatGPT tells us to use the average function like this. Fantastic, we have the average. Unfortunately, that number has way too many decimals, almost as many as the number of pointless meetings you'll be attending this week. Let's ask ChatGPT how to round it. ChatGPT tells us to use the round function like this. And voila, we have a nice round number, just like the amount of work you'll be doing in those meetings. If you'd like an explanation of how the formula works, you can ask ChatGPT. It will assemble the information like a chef crafting a fine meal, leaving you with a clear picture and a satisfied mind. Next, we want to know how much money we are spending on our employees' healthcare plans. ChatGPT tells us to use the sum function like this. Now we know the total cost. I wonder if we could save the company some cash by replacing the health insurance plan with bottles of aspirin and get well soon cards. ChatGPT gives us a humorless yet sensible response. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to calculate the total plan costs for employees who have family coverage. ChatGPT tells us to use this formula, but we can also consider an alternative approach. By combining filter and sum, we can create this formula. ChatGPT has delivered another win like a champ. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT to help us slap some labels on these plan costs. Low, medium, or high. Just like the stages of grief you experience when you see your bank balance in the middle of the month. Our trusty ChatGPT says to use this formula. That said, using switch may provide a cleaner solution. Like this. With ChatGPT's help, we've revealed the financial bite of each plan cost. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to help us identify the benefit plan for a specific employee. ChatGPT tells us to use the VLOOKUP function like this. This will search for Alice in column B and return her plan from column D. Now, let's find out who still remembers the thrill of dialing a phone number and who thinks a tablet is an electronic device. Sorting the data by employee age should give us a hint. ChatGPT tells us to use this formula. And there you have it. ChatGPT has helped us write all the formulas we need to analyze the data. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you next time.